We don't just want to help them survive. We want to lift them up and help them experience the fullness of life. We want to empower them to fulfill their dreams.
那可以下去，我们就下去找你 ，OK？
We want them to thrive.
The journey is fruitful. Yeah, it's really fruitful.
This group of youth needs somebody that can believe in them.